When we try to sell a product to a customer, we don't really sell that product to them. It's for their brain, because it is the brain that always makes the decision in sales. Hence, we need to know what they are thinking. We can classify the customer's brain into three parts. First one is fear center, second logic center, and third one is emotional center. Let's see what exactly fear center. The first thing to remember when someone is listening or paying attention for a new product or a new thing is that their fear center is the first thing that works in the brain. The first thought that triggers the customers is fear. Our brain prefers to be in a comfort zone. The brain feels discomfort while making a decision or moving to the current scenario. So the fear center works first. We need to neutralize the fear center of the customer's brain. For that, we have to build trust. The customer should have faith in us and in the product, also in the company. Thus, when you build a trust, the fear center will neutralize itself. The second one is logical center. When the customer believes this product is good, now comes the logical part. Is the product worth the price? Now we must comfort the customer with logical reasoning that this product is good, the price is affordable, its features are worth, etc. Hence, the customer's brain will know that he or she is investing wisely. And the third one is emotional center. The emotional center is what exactly the product is great and the price is okay, but the customer is not able to emotionally attach with the salesperson. Then we have to create a personal relation there. So we can overcome these by taking away the fear from the brain and giving logical reasoning and building up a personal relation. We must understand that what we sell not only to the customer but to the customer's brain, that the brain is what we needed to convert and make into a customer. We only have to figure out what the customer in front of us is going through right now.